have to see the dark parts of us so then we can transcend it. So once we can see it, we can make a decision and we can say, okay, we don't want this. We want equality, we want unity, and we want love. Right? So this is what the new earth would now be made up of. We have to create new systems for ourselves, new systems for our lives. In order for this to be successful, in order for us to successfully remove ourselves from the matrix, we have to step into our purpose. We have to find the reason why we are placed here on earth. Loves, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. I am Angelina, and today we're talking about how we can make our lives, our daily lives, a protest, and not just making noise and then going back to our normal lives and going back to the old way of living where we'll get the same results. We have to learn how to control our emotions, because the things that anger you is what controls you. When you are looking for solutions and you are looking for a breakthrough in something, you have to become calm. That's the only way that ideas will come to you. That's the only way that you can make the correct decision to have the type of change that you want. So we have to learn how to control our emotions. We must have a change in our lifestyles, in the way that we're living, if we want to see some type of change. We are now in control of our own emotions, in control of the way that we feel. We are now creating our own happiness. We are now creating the life that we deserve. So what is happening now on the planet is just that we are now seeing our shadow selves. We are now seeing the dark aspects of us, right? And in order to enter into the new earth, this has to happen. We have to see who we are. We have to see the dark parts of us so then we can transcend it. So once we can see it, we can make a decision and we can say, okay, we don't want this. We don't want that. We want equality, we want unity, and we want love. Right? So this is what the new earth would now be made up of. In this new earth, as I was saying before, we must unplug ourselves from the matrix. We must remove ourselves from the systems that were placed upon us. We now have to create new systems for ourselves, new systems for our lives, right? And in order for this to be successful, in order for us to successfully remove ourselves from the matrix, we have to step into our purpose. We have to find the reason why we are placed here on earth. I have a video on how to step into your purpose, how to be fearless into stepping into your purpose, because it's crucial. As we step into our purpose, we also have to notice and support people who are also stepping into their purpose, and we have to support them. We have to push them. We have to motivate them. We have to support them. We have to support our local communities. Support everything local. We have to start growing our own foods, supporting our local farmers. This is the ways that we can unplug from the system. We can create our own system where all of us as a collective, we are benefiting. We are no longer dependent on the 1%. We are no longer dependent on the elites to make our lives. We are dependent on each other. In order for us to see any real change, we first have to change. We first have to be the change that we want to see. You have to now promote the things that you want to see. You want a life of positivity. Promote positivity. You don't want violence. Don't promote any type of violence. If you're a musician, you're an artist, right? Think about the information that you're putting out into the world. Every single thing that you're doing, you're thinking about this new earth that we are creating. Take in positivity, let out positivity. If that's the new earth that you want, you first have to be it, you first have to embody it, you first have to live it. It's not enough to just have a social media post and to share. It's more about making real changes in your life, changing your entire mindset, changing the way that you look at life, knowing that everything you do, everything you say has a repercussion. What you give out into the world makes a difference. Be mindful of that. This is how you would be perceived by society. So, and this is exactly what we want to change. This is exactly what we're going to change. That's it for this video. I thank you so much for being here with me, and give me a thumbs up if you are excited about our new earth, because I am. And remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you in my other videos. So bye.